Hey, this is Chris, and we're looking at a pathway made not with decomposed granite, but crushed stone. We call it caramel macchiato. Others call it Navajo gold, also called coyote gold. The purpose of the video, though, isn't the material, but the well-constructed perimeter of the pathway using 2x6 redwood edging. You can see how important it is not to use plastic edging. All plastic edging turns to shit in terms of appearance, a hazard. 24 months or less, the heat and cold, expansion, contraction completely trashes it. I don't care what it is. All looks like crap. If you're going to use an edging, go for steel or wood. In this case, redwood. And you can see they brought their joints together with an 18-inch tie on the outside. Makes for a very strong pathway edging. Angled their joints here. This is a flawless execution in landscape construction and a great design effort. The architect didn't buy into plastic edging. Another option is steel edging. There's some really good steel edging. That's a little more on the pricier side, but equally good in a pathway like this. So if you're gonna do edging, use redwood, preferably 2x6, but you can use 2x4 bender board and just go anywhere from 3 to 5 layers thick.